Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a loving couple with a landscape digitally. I'll use the program Procreate on an iPad, but you can follow along with practically any digital program. I toned the background and now we make a circle for the head and the shape of the hair of the woman, the tilt of the shoulders, a smooth line for the spine, and then the shape of the torso and of the hips very schematically. And the same for the man, a little taller and close to her, holding her with one arm. After a basic skeleton, now we do the shapes of the muscles and flesh. You can find the long version of this video in my Patreon account. The link is in the description of this tutorial. At this point we can erase the guiding lines that we don't need anymore. And by the way, I invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at ArtistLeonardo to see the new projects I'm working on. We draw a horizon line and, on a new layer, the heels on the background. Like so. Let's give a tone to the ground. I want it a bit darker even. Good! Now let's shade the persons. This drawing is going to be monochromatic, that is, in one color, which in this case is a dark brown, called sepia. The man and woman will be backlit, since the light source will be in front of them, and a little bit to the right. Let's draw some flowers on the ground. And we continue shading. Alright, good. Now, on a new layer, let's draw some highlights. This is not going to be with pure white, but rather with a very light yellow, to give it some warmth, so that it fits with the rest of the drawing. We need some strong light coming from the background, like so. Nice, I think. This is really enjoyable. I love drawing so much. I don't like the position of her arm because it looks a little bit awkward. So we erase it and redraw it in another pose. And if you got all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code. Where there is light, there is hope. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to visit Patreon for the long video, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.